po, being part of this episode has been so encouraging for me. Kasi nakita natin ang complementary ng roles and functions ng different law enforcement agencies of the government. Pakita natin na nagtutulong-tulong sila para malabanan to combat online sexual abuse and exploitation of children.
Tama yan, Attorney Kath. And meeting our guest earlier, si Captain and si Lieutenant, napakagaling nila. And I can see the expertise. And OSAEC and cybercrimes, they're very technical and complex crimes, and you really need these kinds of experts in the government, in our law enforcement offices. So, I'm really encouraged as well kasi nakita ko na magaling sila, and they're also willing to learn and to continue to collaborate so that they can do their jobs very well.
At maganda rin no, na nakita natin talaga dito sa episode na to, na yung PNP, hindi lang sila sa urban and rural communities, hands-on, yung sa ground. Nakikita rin natin na sinisecure din nila yung digital community na marami na nakaka-access ngayon. At yung instrument kasi dito is yung ICT. Instrument kung saan ginagamit ginagamit ng mga perpetrators to commit cybercrimes. And maganda rito na yung PNP may iba't ibang division at ito nga yung cybercrime division nila talagang hands-on when it comes to the cybercrimes.
Tama nga, no? I learned a lot actually, and I feel safe knowing that meron tayong authorities na nagpo-focus sa cybercrimes, especially right now that we're shifting in a digital world. And as a kid na pinaka-vulnerable sa mga cybercrimes, isa yun sa mga bagay na thankful ako kasi nandyan sila para bantayan tayo. And hindi lang yan, yung effort nila in partnering with foreign entities, isa yun sa mga makikita ko na napakagandang bagay kasi we are learning, and isa pa dyan, napapastrength pa nini-strengthen yung efforts and yung security natin sa ating cyberspace.
Tama ka dyan, Lay. Kasi OSAEC and cybercrimes are cross-border in nature eh. So, hindi na yan limited in space and territory. Kaya important ang international collaboration. And it's really good to know that PNP-ACG, they're actively collaborating with different international bodies, international offices, even those social media providers like Facebook, Google.
Mahalaga rin kasi yung collaboration sa sharing of best practices na tinatawag natin. Yung mga gold standards sa pag-investigate ng online sexual abuse and exploitation cases.
Parang may synergy, gano'n.
Totoo.
Yes. Saka para din ma-hold accountable yung mga foreign perpetrators, ang mga customers.
So we complete yung accountability, cycle of accountability, lahat na hold accountable, hindi lamang yung mga nandito sa Pilipinas, kundi pati yung mga nasa ibang bansa. So that's great, di ba?
Mas mabilis, mas napapabilis yung actions, no? Lalo na kapag nandun nga yung collaboration. And parang yung effort talaga, di ba? Sobrang lakas and magaganda na nagkakaroon ng mga technical na investigative support sa iba't ibang law enforcement agencies.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Magkita-kita na po tayong muli sa isa na namang exciting na episode next week.
Yes, sa ating season ender.
Grabe. We're almost done with season 2, but I feel that there are so much more to talk about and inform our viewers.
Wow! Patapos na pala ang season 2 next week.
And yes, magpapaalam muna tayo for now. I am your cyber patroller, Rayan Lim.
At ako naman po ang inyong cyber-vlogger, Icon Moniz.
Ang bago niyong katropa, Attorney Praise.
At ang lagi niyong kasama, Attorney Kath, dito lamang sa
Cyber Chat Season 2.
Paalala ng PNP, mag-ingat sa pagtanggap ng mga tawag at text.
Ngayon, kailangang magdoble ingat dahil
Dahil sa kahirapan, may mga kababayan tayo
Mismong mga apo niya, ginagamit niya sa online kalaswaan.
ang kanilang mga anak o pamangkin o kamag-anak.
Matagal na rin naman na ikulong ang iyong isipan. Nilalason ng takot, binabalot ng pangangamba ang musmos mong sigla. At ito'y nasaksihan, dugong may tapang at paninindigan. Buong pusong umalalay, binalik
pagkalalay. Binalik niya ang tiwala at hanap na pag-asa.